This part 5 of 6 is a continuing plea to the head of the police in Dallas, Texas, Chief David Kunkle. Copies were forwarded to the mayor of Dallas, Tom Leppert, FBI, YouTube, and the ACLU. What is it that McCormick wants Kim to deny and stay strong for? Small wonder Payne is losing it, as he knows what awaits him in court for lying. Chief Kunkle, your officer McCormick not only blatantly and openly harassed, defamed my character, and caused my family and friends to be horrified, but he's also part of a conspiracy and responsible for a fraudulent $10,000 court case, sir. The print is available over the internet. We can prove it is not $10,000, and the viewers heard I gave the print to Miss D, a very talented artist. She entrusted Payne with thousands of dollars of her artwork, which he promised to market for her. Instead, he swindled her out of much of her life's work, one item dating back to when she was only 18. I saw him wearing different pieces he boasted Miss D designed for him specifically, which was another lie. I believed Miss D's promise to return the item and didn't expect her to dispose of the print, but I also understood how much she was affected because of Payne's horrific abuse, and don't believe she acted in a malicious manner. But here is what happened.
Now let me tell you what happened. I got rid of it. I can tell him that I got rid of it because I could care less about him. He's been talking to my sister. He's putting me in a big predicament. I mean, he's just no good to me, and I threw it away.
Payne fraudulently told a judge the print is worth $10,000. I am well aware that judgments are often given in error. When a judgment is greatly exaggerated or fraudulent, or acquired temporarily by default, the judge will not only eliminate the judgment but reverse it on the other party. I was out of town when I received Payne's claim. After I returned, I called the judge's office immediately but was repeatedly told that there was nothing that can be done, which was hard for me to accept, since I knew Payne had not paid $10,000 and the item is not worth $10,000. It was also difficult for me to believe that a judge would actually side with Payne without verification. At the time, I suffered 2 deaths in the family and was too distraught and unable to deal with the situation. I spoke with a Dallas attorney, R.S. Polk, Esquire, who advised me not to worry about it since it is a fraudulent claim. I am not a lawyer, and in hindsight I should have had a second opinion, but that is what happened. I never expected this to blow up for $180. Since I exposed the USA 180 scam, Michelle Conti was searching for dirt on me and promptly found the fraudulent judgment. Conti and Loper called Payne, and together they encouraged Payne to file charges and conspired against me. I always heard that courts require proof, not hearsay. Payne can substantiate his claim. After he found out that Miss D disposed of the print, he gave up, and we never heard from him again until he was virtually forced by the collective criminal enterprise USA 180, who illegally contacted Payne and talked him into filing charges against me. Payne boasted that Loper told him he is very intelligent, which I am sure Payne can substantiate as he tapes all of his conversations. Payne can pronounce words correctly, which is why he tells everyone he is Norwegian and calls himself Johansen. McCormick assures Conti, who mouthed, "I will kill you, bitch," that she can't get in trouble for her death threat towards me, as comments don't mean anything on YouTube. Yet, I post something innocuous in my quest to find out who else is hacking into my server, and I am a serious mental case. There are only 2 ways McCormick can possibly find out who the accounts belong to, sir. One is hacking. The other I would have to disclose myself. There is no third choice, as YouTube will not furnish information unless a crime has been committed, in which case they would also close down the accounts. The liberties this dunce believes he is entitled to is breathtaking, sir, especially when the Internal Affairs Department told me that the man has a history of being a hick and a bully. Chief Kunkle, I saw comments on their boards they retrieved from my emails, sir. Who gives this tyrant that right? A Dallas bully cop is teaching the masses not to ever question the illegal or illogical actions and or conduct of the police, and shows the public by example what can happen if they do. Michelle Conti, the loose cannon alcoholic and substance abuser at the helm of USA 180, who has vehemently attacked and physically threatened and harassed me with bizarre bogus stories. But in this video, hell will be coming for you. She is mouthing, "I will kill you, bitch." The FBI said a death threat is cause for arrest. Conti is not only claiming I am an illegal alien and in the US on a temporary visa, but she is a multifaceted artist who changed my ugly picture on the left to the mind-boggling beauty on the right. So McCormick and the rest of their criminal buds can make good use of her wonderful talent, showing me off as their background. I believe this falls under sends repeated electronic communications in a manner reasonably likely to harass, annoy, alarm, abuse, torment, embarrass, or offend another. And I can think of a few other titles applicable for McCormicks, sir. I can see this happens every day on YouTube, but definitely not from a police officer, as their abuses are usually disclosed after a crime was committed. To my knowledge, there is no video available in all of the files and history of YouTube of a cop tormenting for an entire year under various channel names, Chief Kunkle. McCormick repeatedly said that he is determined to help a disabled vet, meaning Payne. I've already explained that Payne was lying, as one has to be in the military first in order to be a vet. It's not that all of a sudden he fell in love with Payne. The police actually made fun of Payne and told him, "My dog takes orders faster than you," after which all of them hooted and hollered, "Woof woof dog," for some time. Of course they denied having ever said that. Even Payne said it didn't happen. But the dog's name was either Millie or Molly, and it wouldn't be difficult to find out whether the offending officer has a dog by that name. McCormick's retaliation for me filing charges against him knows no boundaries, as he invites everyone to visit me, sir. Conti conspired with Leppert and McCormick and made private videos harassing me and fraudulently claiming that I have a criminal record. It appears con artist and professional liar Payne, the self-proclaimed lesbian who is no stranger to mental institutions, outrageous stories and or behavior, was the person giving them all of this bogus information. Chief Kunkle, McCormick not only illegally conspired on a situation he didn't have facts, but he claimed precisely that I had a criminal background, which I don't have. But Payne has been arrested numerous times. McCormick also claims I have mental problems, that the psychiatrist will give me medicine to make me normal. Again, it is Payne who has been in mental institutions off and on for many years of his life. A professional Dallas police officer sends out bogus videos telling the viewers he taped me. I wonder why he is so certain. The Dallas Police Department is proud of him, sir. I made a promise to myself that McCormick will go down in history as one of the dumbest cops in the US for maliciously attacking and slandering me for no other reason but filing a complaint against him, sir. I can assure the public that my next action will not be a complaint.